Hello everyone! Today I'm making bread pudding and I'm going to use croissants, which are much better and tastier than bread. So this is what you're gonna need for this recipe. I have some fresh raspberries, fresh blueberries. I'm gonna use some vanilla. Here is milk. I'm gonna use 3/4 cup of milk. This is powdered sugar. I'm gonna use 2/3 of a cup, 1 pack of cream cheese, and some sugar. And I'm gonna use 3/4 cups of the sugar. So I'm gonna show you how it's all done. And just make sure you check the description box below this video, where you can find all the ingredients and measurements for this recipe. Okay, so first we're gonna slice the croissants. Okay, now I'm gonna use this cooking spray and I'm gonna coat this pan lightly, just a little bit. I'm gonna put the croissants in here. I'm gonna add the raspberries. And the blueberries. Okay, now we're gonna mix the cream cheese with the sugar. And the vanilla extract. I'm just gonna use 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna measure this. Put 1 teaspoon vanilla. Mix. Okay, we're gonna add 2 eggs, which they're gonna go in the cheese. Mix again. And now I'm gonna add the milk. Mix more. Okay, now the cream cheese, it's all mixed with the sugar and the milk. So now we're gonna pour this over the croissant. Okay, all done. So what you need to do now, this needs to sit, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So all these croissants are gonna absorb the milk, and then I'll put it in the oven at 350 to bake for about 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna let it sit for now. Okay, now it's time to put this in the oven. It was resting for about 15 minutes. When I tilt it like this, I can see that the milk is all absorbed. So now it's gonna go in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, this is all done. It baked for about 30 minutes. It looks great. And let me show you. I'm gonna take some out on a plate. And this is how I like to eat it. Just sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on top. And there you have it. The bread pudding with croissants, fresh berries. It looks great and it tastes delicious. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Bye-bye.